In this tutorial series, I am covering the essential topics you need to know to get up the speed with Photoshop quickly. Hello guys, welcome to Easy to Make Designs. This is the image which I'll show you how to resize this in pixels and in resolutions also, or how to increase the size of this image. You have to open your image from your gallery. If you don't know how to open it, in the menu bar, File, Open, to open the image from your gallery, or there's a shortcut key of open the image is Ctrl plus O. Resizing an image is the unit measurement of pixels. Resizing an image is at the time image need to resize to suit a particular purpose of the application, or the unit measurement of pixel is 1 centimeter is equal to 28 pixels. The units can be adjusted by using Edit and go to the Preferences, and in the Preferences, Unit and Rulers. This setting In this setting, a ruler in inches, centimeters, millimeters, and points and picas and percentage. Type point, pixel, or millimeter. In 1 centimeter, 28 pixels. The unit measurement of pixel is 1 centimeter is equal to 28 pixels. This is our column size, width, and new document preset resolution is our print resolution is 300 pixels or inches, screen resolution is 72. We can prefer 300 resolution for print, and for web we can prefer 72 resolution. The parameter of changes the size of the picture is type of pictures or size of pixels, like in the menu bar, image size. Here is the detail. Here's the all details about our image. Image size, dimension, and fit to original size, or can change with custom size. This is the resolution 72, which we prefer for web. So in parameters of change the size of picture, we can change the resolution or height and width, or choose image size, measure width and height in pixels for image you plan to use online or offline, or you can go with the inches or centimeter for images to print. Keep the link icon highlighted, otherwise you lost your proportions, because if you unhighlight this link, then this automatically adjusts the height when you change the width, and or you change the height, then it will change automatically. Like if I change with this 800 pixels, then height will automatically change, or if I change height, then width will automatically change. So this link icon should be always highlighted to preserve proportions. Now you can choose width and height according to your work, or you can change the resolution 300 and mm, press OK if you are satisfied with your changes. I have no issue with my existing width, height, and resolution, so I press cancel. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it for such more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new tutorial or new video. So bye.